Hello student, welcome to our standard 6 mathematics lesson number 13 symmetry. In this lessons we already completed exercise 13.1 and 13.2. Now is the time for to discuss exercise 13.3. Exercise 13.3. 13.3 questions are here on your screen. We should have to check out the first question here. Find the number of lines of symmetry in each of the following shapes. How will you check your answers? First student, diamond is given. B, a Christmas tree. C, two squares are there. D, little bit at these types of design. E, as a ink set, or you can say as a butterfly, or F is a double-headed arrow. We should have to give the line of symmetries, either vertical, horizontal, or both one or diagonally. We had now these three types of things are there: vertically, horizontally, both, diagonally, or multiples. Look at the question number 2, students. Copy the following drawings on squared paper. Complete each one of them such that the resulting figure has two dotted lines as two lines of symmetry. My dear student, here A, B, C. Three figures are given, dotted lines are also given, vertical and horizontal. I think so you have little bit doubt to understand. Actually these both lines are given here in each and every case. You are having the textbooks, just check out. Or when we see the solutions, you will get it clearly. Clear? Okay. How did you go about completing the picture? Oh, sorry. Today I forgot to tell you. Ready with your stationery, silent prayer, physical exercise, hand, eyes, neck, sitting exercise you have to do. Clear? Yes, my dear student. Question number 3. In each figure below, a letter of alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given line. Find which letters look the same after reflection. That means which letters look the same in the image and which do not. Can you guess why? Okay, type for O, E, M, N, P, H, L, T, S, V, X. A and B also given. Answers are here for 13.3. My dear students, once again I welcome you in our standard 6 mathematics exercise number 13.3. Answers or solutions are given. First picture was given as a star. How many line of symmetry can you find? Here the line of symmetry given for the question number 1, star. Can you see here big image? Only one image you can find it here. And how many dotted lines are there? Or you can give the name of the lines is equal to L1, L2, L3 and L4. Student, this is not need to write here because this is the one line, this is the second line, this is the third line and this is the fourth line. So line 1 to 4s are given. Is it? Correct. Now look at the B answer. 4 line of symmetry in the vertical. Only Christmas tree can find both the part left side and right side equal. So that means only vertical line of symmetry is possible, not other one. Is it? Correct. What about the C? Yes. In C, two squares were given which are having the two lines of symmetry diagonally. Cross में है बेटा देखो. इसको ऐसे काटो. जो पार्ट इधर मिलता है ऐसा इधर मिलेगा, जो पार्ट इधर मिलता है ऐसा exactly you can find it here. So this is the one line of symmetry L1. Okay, what about this one? Exact copy whatever you are having here. Yes, change the color. Good, very good suggestion beta, very good suggestion. Can I take the violet color? Yes, this one the one square, this one the second one. Exact copy of this one and 2. We have to coincide like this way. ऐसे करके कर देने का बराबर बेटा. Yes, correct. What about D? D are having two line of symmetry, horizontal and vertical. Easy? Correct. It's so simple. What you found here, just you can get it here. The pictures on the top side, 1, 2 and 3. Is it here? Whatever the image part, beta, image part you can find here with green color. 1, 2, 3. Exact copy बेटा. जो ऊपर का भाग है ऐसा ही नीचे का भाग मिला. Yes. What about the other one बेटा? Let's see. वर्टिकल. वर्टिकल में क्या आ गया बेटा? आपको ऐसा पार्ट मिला इधर से. Is it? इस टाइप का पार्ट मिला आपको. ओके, बी टाइप का. What about the left side? Left side is also here beta. Same part you are getting. Is it? So whatever left, same way right. So that's why here two types of line of symmetries is given. E. E में क्या मिल गया बेटा? Yes, straight line, vertically. What is this? Vertically line of symmetry. F में कितना मिला बेटा? 2. Which are there? Yes, correct. Vertically and horizontally. Anyone a doubt for this one? No. Okay. What about this one beta? Only one side picture is given for the questions. Let's see. क्या दिया था बेटा इस क्वेश्चन में? Yes. This question only one line is given. And here two dotted lines were given, 1 and 2. Shall I change the color? Yes, why not? ऐसी एक लाइन दी है, एक लाइन ऐसी दी है. आपको सिर्फ ये लाइन ड्रॉ करके दी है. आपको उसका पहले फोल्ड करो ऐसे. ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे तो आंसर क्या मिल जाएगा बेटा? आपको इस टाइप का आंसर मिलेगा. अभी दोनों को फोल्ड करो लेफ्ट से राइट से इधर से वर्टिकली. देन यू विल गेट ए डायमंड शेप. इज इट? लेट्स चेक. इज इट दैट और नॉट? सो बोथ द पार्ट ओनली वन क्वेश्चन वाज गिवन दिस मच. तो पहला आपने क्या कर दिया? ऐसे फोल्ड किया तो आपको आंसर मिल गया ऐसा. फिर बाद में कैसे फोल्ड किया आपने? ऐसे किया तो आपके पास ये फिगर था. उसको ऐसे फोल्ड करेगा तो एग्जैक्ट कॉपी किधर मिलेगा? इधर मिल जाएगा. तो स्क्वायर बन जाएगा. ओके, कैन यू वांट टू सी द डिफरेंट कलर? सी. Is it? Correct. So first of all, I want to remind you once again. First part is here. Question was given with green color. First line of symmetry is the with horizontal. You will get this answer. Okay. Whenever second one, I can change the color. Sorry, beta. Sorry. Once again. First time I am taking this one. Question was here. Now it's answer with green color. First answer is here. Okay. Now second answer with I can take it with a red colors. Is it? Yes, red color is like this way. It's a little bit different. No, not different. Sorry. So which color I will take it now? Blue. Okay, blue color I can take it and draw it with blue color. Now you can find. Very good. Good suggestion. Very good suggestion, beta. So pink color was the question. And first line of symmetry is this one, horizontal. When I fold it, I can get only green line. So now I am having the green and pink line. When I fold with the vertically and tracing, I will get the answer of blue color, both the line. Is it? Correct. Now B. B में क्या आ गया बेटा? Yes. So what was the question? Suppose one question was like this way given. Is it? Correct. So what will be the answer? You can get a very good rangoli. Yes, you can say it's a rangoli. Rangoli design is there. Yes, that's why I'm telling you. You just fold the paper or double fold the paper. Then after cut these types of shape, you are having the very imaginary, unbelievable type of shapes are there. In craft work, you may be seen these types of things so many times. Same way for these things, here you can see the plus signs. What about D? Very simple. The question was given like this way. इतना ही दिया था बेटा. उससे कितना बड़ा बन गया? पूरा octagon बन गया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 lines become. We had only this much. In question paper, they can give us this much only. And we are making a pura octagon. The whole octagon can prepare. with this types of design. Yes, very good questions of here, like as a squares and plus sign with arrow. Plus sign with arrow. Can you find it here? Plus sign with arrow. What was the question? You want to see? Okay, let's see the question was the what type of questions they gave us. They gave us only this much part, beta. This way, down, right and left. This much part was given only. So first of all, you can take it like this way, isn't it? Then after this way, yes, and then after this way. And afterwards, here also you will get it a image of this one. Anyone a doubt for this one? No. Easy, ekdam easy, beta, ekdam easy. Clear? Then you will find these types of figure. Yes, last but not least. कैसा था क्वेश्चन बेटा? फिर से देख लो क्वेश्चन मैंने दिखाया था, फिर से दिखाता हूँ बेटा. सिर्फ एंड सिर्फ दिस मच इट गिवन. इज इट? कितना बेटा? Yes, this much only given. Okay, downside, left side part is only given, and we were found here with the same type of picture. What the question was here? ऐसा सिर्फ दिया था बेटा आपको, और उसका हमने वर्टिकल और हॉरिजॉन्टल करके क्या आंसर ले लिया था. मैं ग्रीन में टाइप कर रहा हूँ बेटा. इस टाइप का हो गया एग्जैक्ट कॉपी ऑफ दिस वन, दिस वन, दिस वन एंड दिस वन. Get the idea? This is the vertical line of symmetry. इसको ऐसे फोल्ड किया. फिर बाद में कैसे करेंगे बेटा? Yes, you are right, my dear student. You can fold this paper to the horizontally. First vertically, and then after horizontally. Easy? Perfect. Why not? Okay, so you will get a very good design here. Perfect. Okay, now my dear student, question number 3, same after reflection. What was the question number 3? Let's check. First question number 3 dekhte beta. In each figure below, a letter of alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given line. Find which letter look the same after reflection. That means say which letter look the same in the image and which do not. Can you guess why? देखते बेटा चलो. बहुत लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है, and these types of question you can find it so many places. Suppose you are having a square book or a blank page or a single line page. Suppose I am having a single line page, half page I am having. Now I am drawing a one circle on the left side here, and now I am allowing to draw a line of symmetry in between. बीच में से एक line of symmetry बना दिया. That means I can fold it this way. That means इसको इधर से मैं fold कर दूंगा. So where I will get the answers is here with blue color. Exactly whatever my circle on the left side is a pink color. Exactly that same circle I will get it on the right side also. Same size. You can find it little small or big, no problem. But whatever the questions, according to the questions, you will get the answers also on the right side. So both the answers are as like. In the same distance. जहां से इधर से टच हुआ तो इधर से टच हुआ, इधर से गैप है तो इतना ही गैप इधर भी रहेगा. Is it? Whatever the gap between the line of symmetry, same gap you can find out in the reflected figure, or you can keep here a mirror. इधर आप mirror रखेंगे बेटा. This is the mirror, isn't it? So I can draw it with the mirror. You can get the image here on the mirror. That's why it is also called a mirror image, a reflection or a mirror image. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, it is also possible. Okay, correct. Now look at here, same after reflection. We can say it's the same after the reflections. Without that, this is not possible. Okay, let's check for our answers. A, O, A का बात करते बेटा. Line of symmetry, exact A. Any doubt? No. What about B? B is here, line of symmetry is vertical, so B will come like this way now. Ulta B banega. A reflection means mirror image. We can say it's a mirror image. In example also they gave us, and now we check it. O है तो O कैसे दिखेगा बेटा इधर? A circle नहीं, that is a O. So our first question was that. That's why I take purposefully O or circle. Circle or O both are the same. Here, whatever the size of O, yes, 4 and 90 degrees. देखो इतना circle का area है. That much area you can find it here. Not a small or not a big. Here the distance between here one line, here also one line. Here one line, here one line. Isn't it? Here one line, here one line. It will not shown on the top or bottom. It cannot be found here. Isn't it? No, not possible. Because line of symmetry, according to the line of symmetry, it is shown. It is a horizontal line, then you cannot get any answer. Only left side O will remain as it is. That's why it is given in your question vertically line of symmetry. What about the E? Simple beta. E का मतलब है ऐसा. I am trying to give you an answer with a blank page. E का आंसर कैसा मिलेगा आपको बेटा? इस टाइप का आंसर मिलेगा. Easy? Oh, it's far away. Let's check. हरी कर दो बेटा. हेलो, अडर दी दो. Oh, your line is there little bit. Oh, you are very clever बेटा. हाँ बेटा. Okay, let's check. इसका आंसर आपको ऐसे मिलेगा. Exact copy it is not possible for me. I am drawing. You can find it here in answer. Whatever the question, you will get the answer. ये मेरा क्वेश्चन था बेटा. इजी, ये मेरा आंसर है. 3 मिल गया. E से 3 बन गया. Is it? Correct. Now what about the M? Question was here M. What will be the answer? I am trying to answer with the green color. Okay. M will be the answer like this way with the green color. A colorful answers with you. You can get the better idea what is the question and what is the answer. That's why we all are telling to you, write question with black pen, answer with blue pen, and drawing with a pencil, which gives you a perfect things clearly. And what are the important questions? You can add the some signs for that one. Clear? So M is as it is. Isn't it? For vertical. Now look about the N. Oh, very good question. Sometimes you maybe make a mistake for N. N is not like as a N, but now change the things. उल्टा हो गया बेटा. कैसे हो गया उल्टा? देखो, ये N था, उसका आंसर कैसे बन गया? Let's check. तो ये आंसर बन जाएगा A. Is it N? Pink is the N? Sorry beta, pink is not N. Green is the N. Your side change. That's why you are telling you. I already said you can go in front of the mirror and see your face. Yes, big mirror or small not? Yes. Cupboard mirror. Everyone is having at home. And then after you can say hello to your mirror image with right hand. Hello, how are you? Can you see a mirror image of which hand having? Left or right? Yes, correct. It's a left hand. And your hand is a right. That's why the side is changed. Left and right. Good questions. Now look at the P. What about the P? P के बारे में देखेंगे बेटा तो उसको उल्टा P बनेगा इधर. कैसा बनेगा बेटा? Q बन जाएगा. Yeah, good question. ये P था तो बन गया Q. P से क्या बन गया बेटा? Q बन गया. Clear? Anyone has doubt regarding this one still now? No. Perfect. Very good, student. Very good. Now look about the edge. Ha 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 ha. Edge. Line of symmetry. Edge. Is it? पक्का. H का मतलब आ गया H. Clear? Good. Now what about the letters? Difference after reflection in L. L remain L, but side उल्टा हो जाएगा बेटा. Yes, L is this one. Answer will be like this. Oh, sorry. Once again, answer with the different color. Yes, I forgot it. L will be here. Line of symmetry, I will take it the different color. Here the line of symmetry, beta. Can you find it here? Exactly L is there, but now it's a ulta. Its side is different. Is it? So L cannot give the perfect answer. What about T? Yes, once again, T will be the question and its answer with green color. T remain as it is. T remain as it is. Why? Just you try to draw it and just fold the paper and check it. T remain as it is only. Vertically only, beta. Okay, what about the S? Very good question, beta. S is like this way. And its answer vertically. Vertically is different color. Ta tapali kata ban jayega, beta. Ulta. Where is the line of symmetry? Vertically. Is it? Look at the here answers. You can find it. It's a T. Tapali no ta no dagla no da. Areva, in mathematics Gujarati alphabet scheme. Why not? It's a shapes. Why these types of shapes are given for the particular alphabets? A, B, C, D and the K, K, G, G. Yes. In Urdu also special curves are given for two particular alphabets. English, how many alphabets are there? If 600 students can give the answer? Sure, correct beta. 26 is the right answer. Will you tell me a Gujarati having how many? Hindi having how many? That is a homework. Find out. A Gujarati alphabet how many letters are there? Just check out. Last but not least, we can say some more are there too. One is a V and one is the X. V is nothing. V remain as it is. Suppose V is here. Answer is with V also green color. V जैसा ही बनेगा बेटा. V को ऐसे करो, उल्टा करो, पुल्टा करो. It will remain the as it is. That's why here V is given as the answer V. चलो बेटा हो गया. लेफ्ट से लो या राइट से लो, दोनों साइड से वो V ही रहेगा. What about the last one X? The question of X is here and its answer with green color X. Clear? So I think it is so simple for you. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. I can write here some alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. यहाँ तक मैं लिख रहा हूँ बेटा. Now I am finding the line of symmetry vertically with the blue color. Vertically में कहाँ पे मिलता है बेटा? ये एक मिलेगा. Yes. दूसरा कहाँ पे मिलेगा बेटा? ये H में मिलेगा. I में भी मिलेगा बेटा. Line of symmetry. Clear? This is a vertical line of symmetry. Now I am taking with the pink color horizontal. Horizontal में कौन मिलेगा बेटा? ये B मिलेगा. C B मिलेगा. D B मिलेगा. B C D E B मिलेगा बेटा. F नहीं मिलेगा. G नहीं मिलेगा but H मिलेगा बेटा. Same exact copy. I B मिलेगा exact copy. Is it? Yes or no? Can you find the answer for vertical and horizontal or both one? Vertical A H I. Good. Horizontal B C D E H I. There is no line of symmetry in F and G. Not a vertical, not a horizontal. So I already make a one small sentence for you how to remember this letters symmetry અહીં મોટું V W X Y. This is the vertical line of symmetry. અહીં મોટું V W X Y બેટા. અહીં મોટું V W X Y. Can you get it here? This is the capital letters. Things are there beta. Okay. Now what about the horizontal? It's so simple beta. Horizontal is nothing. B, C, D, E, H, I, K, O, X. B, C, D, E, आयोक्स की जगह पे K ऐड कर दिया मैंने. इसमें क्या लगाया था? अही मोटू VWXY, अही मोटू VWXY. And for horizontal, yes, BCDE HIKOX, IKOX, IKOX. It is the vertical, not but horizontal. Okay, will you tell me for both one which are there? Anyone will help me? जिसमें दोनों में है ऐसा वाला लेटर कौन कौन से है? यस बेटा, H करेक्ट. देन I भी दोनों में है बेटा, HI और O और आयोक्स. आयोक्स का मतलब है बेटा दोनों, वर्टिकल एज वेल एज हॉरिजॉन्टल. वर्टिकल एज वेल एज हॉरिजॉन्टल ऑल्सो इट इज पॉसिबल. सो फिर से रिपीट कर रहा बेटा. अही मोटू VWXY are the vertical line of symmetry letters. BCDE HIKOX are the horizontal line of symmetry, and HIOX are the both horizontal and vertical line of symmetry. Is it clear? Perfectly clear. Is it right, my dear student? This is the correct for you. Will you help me to say, some 2 minutes are left to take the some notations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0. For here, where you found the horizontal line of symmetry? कहाँ पे मिलेगा बेटा? हॉरिजॉन्टल में 3 में मिलेगा पक्का. फिर एक्चुअली 8 में भी मिलेगा और 0 में भी मिलेगा, because 8 is also like this way. If anyone is tell me what is the vertical line of symmetry, कहाँ मिलेगा? कौन सा लेटर में vertical line of symmetry you will find it? वर्टिकल के लिए मैं ले लेता हूँ पिंक कलर. 1 से मिलेगा सॉरी, 2 से मिलेगा सॉरी, 3 से मिलेगा सॉरी, 4 से मिलेगा सॉरी, 5 से मिलेगा सॉरी, 6 से मिलेगा सॉरी, 7 से मिलेगा सॉरी, 8 से मिलेगा. यस, 8 से मिलेगा पक्का. See, 8 actually like this. So I drawn here not perfectly, but 8 is like this way with pink color. So here also you can find, and here also, both the way. 9 not possible, but 0 yes. So only 3 letters, 3 numbers which are showing the line of symmetry, either horizontal or vertical, for both 1, 8 and 0. Easy. It's an interesting lesson. Here we end up our lesson number 13, symmetry of standard 6 mathematics. Once again I remind you, be regular, complete your fair book, your notes, your homework. We are sending here the PDF files. You just write down in your fair book with question, black pen, answer a blue pen, and do the regular exercise, either sitting or running, and use maximum time for understand any doubts. You are most welcome to ask the doubt. You can go through it over my personal channel mathematics. You can go through it. You are knowing my channel name. See the video once again 2 times, 3 times, and clarify your doubts, and Complete once again your notebook. Notebook will help you at the test time or exam time. Take care, be safe. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. BYE. Beta BYE is the bye bye. Is it? Bye bye. Thank you.